Hey guys, so there are times in machining when you have to deal with certain things inside the material that you're not aware of, and some of those things are called stress. So when you got to watch out for when you're machining anything, really. I'll show you the part actually. Just switch this camera over. So sometimes you got to deal with something called stress. You don't deal with it, but in material especially, it shows up. And you can see on this bar how it kind of sprung down a little bit. So what it is, it's stressed, right? So it wants to pull down consistently. It's been doing that every time. That's because I'm cutting it from the outside of the part, and I guess it's just warping it. As it's cutting around, it's probably squeezing a little bit more, so my parts are coming out a little bit oval. And there's still a tolerance, but I just like to catch this before it gets worse. So you can the amount of stress that built up is, as you can see, the flatness there. Let me try to zoom in. Come on now. See it? Yeah, you can see how it's just bowing up. It's getting higher and higher. So yeah, there's a huge bow in there, and it started right where I sliced it, right? So what I did is I just basically relieved it, but you can see, I mean, that's like, what is that? It's probably like I don't know, maybe 3/4 of an inch of material right there. That's solid steel, and it's bending 3/4 of an inch of steel up like that. So that's a lot of stress, you know, and that could be an issue a lot of times when you have out of tolerance parts. So watch out for that. As you can see, you drill the hole right there. A little bit of material holding on so that it's not leading in from this part. And so yeah, because we've got stress, right? And I don't want to release that stress because all this outside material cooled at a different rate, you know, than the center did. So that's why it's kind of, it wants to move, but because it's all, you know, mixed together, it doesn't move. But if I cut it like this, it releases it, and that's why we get these spring effects here. So anyway, to fix that, drill a hole, cut around, and like that. You know, usually, I mean, in wire EDM, of course, you use a hole popper, but I just drill it on the drill press. It's the same thing. And yeah, so we'll see. It should make a difference. Did it. I mean, now we're like, I don't know, like a couple thou. Like, we'll say we're at 2 thou. Yeah, before, I mean, the parts, the ovality of these parts was off by like 12 thou. And that's a lot. I mean, for wire EDM to be off 12 thou, that's an airport runway. So yeah, best way to fix stress is just, you know, work it out from the center. Let all the stress work, you know, exist on the outside of the material, because that's where it's going to be usually. And then yeah, just stay on the inside, because you know, sometimes, you know, guys that are doing wire EDM, they just come in from the outside like that, and usually it's okay. If it's like a hardened steel and they, you know, it's been brought back a little bit and annealed, and you know, thick blocks of you know, A2 tool steel, you're not going to have those issues as much. I mean, it happens, but you know, that's what skin passes are for. So, but in this case, when I'm just doing one rough pass, yeah, watch out for that stress. If you got to deal with it, start with a hole, come into the middle, and just, like I said, let all that stress live and exist on the outside of it. You should be fine. Thanks for watching.